AHAs and BHA are available from several cosmetic brands, including my line, Paula's Choice. So how do you choose which exfoliant is best for you? As a rule, AHAs are best for normal to dry sun-damaged skin because they only exfoliate on the very surface rather than inside the pore. AHAs have research showing they improve collagen production and increase skin's moisture binding ability. My 8% alpha hydroxy acid gel can be a great option for all skin types and can be worn under a moisturizer without feeling heavy or layered with product. BHA also exfoliates on the surface of skin, but has extra properties that make it better for normal to oily or combination skin, and especially blemish-prone skin. Salicylic acid can exfoliate inside the pore, and it has anti-inflammatory and mild antibacterial benefits as well. First-time users of a BHA product can begin with a 1% concentration of salicylic acid. Those with oily to very oily skin and stubborn blackheads or blemishes should begin with a 2% concentration. Every Paula's Choice BHA product is formulated with additional soothing agents. Once you know the concentration you want to try, the only thing left to decide is whether you want a gel, liquid, 2% strength only, or lotion texture. As a rule, if you have normal to oily skin with moderate breakouts, my gel is a great place to start. If you have very oily skin with moderate to severe breakouts, the liquid is a must to try. If you have normal to combination skin, the lotions are a wonderful option. Bottom line, which one to choose depends on personal preference more than any other factor and experimenting to see what works best for you.